even, no, let me finish my question. How do you even start even with courtesy as a colleague? Then you say, you don't even respect in terms of the legislative. We are all members of parliament. We are all young people. Why would you make such allegations or such a statement? A project here, there is a national project, it will cut across. Did you, and if you are to say that, why did you choose on South Mugra to yourself?
Kibagendi is my brother, my elder brother, for that fact. Because no one any combo, no maite Kibagendi oboli kichukura katatu haja kweleli yakane. To some point, nero ngoroki siasa, which I accept. And I take him as a brother. Na ende Kibagendi no muigwa oito. And I respect him so much. Inche there is nowhere na atebringa na akonye de Kibagendi igasi. Kibagendi na maite gasi ya man. Okolire gasi ya I don't know if it's good or bad. Abantu bamaite na bamaite. Ege into inche nkobuna nere. When I required umuntu tukubwatira na korosie para, he was nowhere. Rina atakiti tungure chipara ya epare kurukuru mara ni gochinya koe, epare kurukuru gesieka gochinya koe, and those roads, major part of it is in his constituency. Tachiti gochi. Rina atakiti umuntu tukubuka nere for 1 year, Nyakundi, 1 full year. Kubuka nagende se director general care, nagende se president, nagende se muwaziri Murkomen, nagende se PS. For 1 year, Nyakundi, I'm telling you, I used to wake up daily. Umuntu yokoro Kibagendi. Not even one single day he came. Lidi tua nyarete konya ore pale. Rigadi gashako akaira coaching. Na murangeli titogene nere coaching. Not even one single day he came. Bono iga esenye nchobone para ya beire. Bono orole bone para ya beire. Otenenire ngana inche no na arenge. Na inche no na where? Nende, I am telling you, we will do other things. No nye muisonde. Echiro ya Nyakoe. I told the PS. I told the president.
As who, in which capacity?
My friend, abantu baliba mate na abantu baito. And as I told you,
so-called are being handled by the Minister of Trade, not Japhet Nyakundi.
I will tell you today. If you don't say Chiro nera atokonyi, na pushe Echiro ya Marani, Echiro ya Kegogi, same way Echiro ya Nyakoe, and the president will be coming in 2 months' time. Uchake Echiro ya Nyakoe. Ega asiaye, the only problem I have with him, niliyako hame serikali, nchetumbu atishida nene. Because rega asiaye.
So you wanted,
just a minute, Nyakundi. Rega asiaye kura hame serikali, yoko criticize serikali, kurumambi baka marogoba. Erenkia kuigwire rabobe, iri inchengo togiega asie serikali yako lire. Inkia kuigwire rabobe, ako gene baka gotebie mo minister o energy nga Japhet agwatestime nyingi. Inda mwamune yaki. Ere izin bunge. The whole time. Kurubunge ogende jim. Kuimuki chichuma. Na hanya kumubuli. Inchelirinko genda chiobisi. I go to Rire. Ama tukaya, I used to go every day. Ama tukaya nko yenda katatu a week. Nagenda somo PS, na motebi ngestima. Nagenda somo waziri ngestima. Nagenda Kenya Power, na motebi ngestima. Nagenda se CEO ya Rire, na motebi ngestima. Na mbwati chistima chiane, na chikobanka. It is because ninganchi tabanto bane. Nende na atebiri abantu. Murayonde bwensi urucho wanchi tabanto bae. Wekaba koleregas.
Abantu ba Kitutu Church South na Kitutu Church North ngwaka na bale bantu.
Yes, ngwaka na bale.
So basically they don't need you to lobby.
You have to push Kende.
Why do you pay taxes and keep lobbying then?
Let me tell you, Nyakundi, Kende nke yoke wocho wikaranse. Bone wikaranse yanonya lichwesa. You must wake up.
Echire yiga ya marani.
Yes.
Abantu mbo chokubale.
Abantu mbo chokubale.
But services.
Yes.
So
but let me tell you, I am the representative of the people. Ntachie tiko tebanga echiro ya ane ya marani. Ntori kuwaita niu echirenya. Ntori kuwaita bekwe kabro. Ntori kuwaita maji. Ntori kuwaita steam. That is why I'm the representative of the people. And ina alinge kupushe chiro ya Marani, chiro ya Kigogi, nga pushe chiro ya Nyakoe, president go chiro kolonge very soon. If the member of parliament is asleep, they are our neighbors, they are our friends. We will support them. Get to separate it. No, baby. They cannot suffer because of one individual. If I get a chance, Nyakundi, I will push. I will push. And I have no regrets for pushing for that road. For pushing for I have no regrets.
You are doing double speak.
I have no regrets.
1 hour ago, one day ganga, mwanya kumere as leaders right about see, mwana ini mugo push agenda yam. Then here you are telling me, I did say budget no what and go sume into we kind of see whichever part.
Inochebuna Chichiro is not under budget. Chichiro is under housing. Chichiro is under housing. By the way,
advertised, I think, early last year or early this year.
They were advertised?
Yes.
And
which means next project here,
my friend, I am the one who pushed for those projects.
To be advertised?
No, not to be advertised.
They were advertised last year, which means they were looking for content.
That is the time. You remember that last year? But I followed that road. Kuru 2022. Egachakoba advertised in 2023. Tukairana nekina tugachako chake pare you in 2024. Same thing nechichiro. Unabone. I have hostels.
And by the way,
I have hostels.
No, for the story chichiro, but before you go to hostels, markets are devolved.
Markets are devolved, but they're still under the national. Some of them are still under the national government because the housing levy is still under the national government. Like one nimbwate chi hostels, chia rirage. That Tibet of mine, it was advertised. The dear president go to launch Ichiro ya Marani, Ichiro ya Nyakoe, I launch ne hostels even if you go to Nyaribali, they also have hostels. Okay, Nyaribali Masaba, Babuate affordable housing, Babuate Chichiro. As a member of parliament, it is your responsibility kogenda COBCH na wasabebi. Onya kobera bunge nga ne chicken wings okuli na mandasi. What is
this about the gym? She also got the gym. What is wrong with people? What is wrong with exercise? Where is lobbying done, by the way? In the ministries.
You have to step in these offices, my brother Nyakundi. I will tell you today, kama neo bizia amangane chichiro, you have to go there. Kama is Ministry of Health, you have to go there. Beyond what the governor is doing, you must help your people. That is the bottom line. Totike chinda mwamu, libero, mimi, ebitina, totike, nokunya koramara. Abantu batike, I have said, and I will say here today, Matiangi no mwani ito. Abantu batike kuibisa magaya Matiangi. Bakole na mantegazi. Akoteba ninche mbwate timaidi ninche ngofanda ruasa. Ninche ngofanda omwando. Ninche ngofanda Lumumba. Ninche ngofanda Achoke. Ninche ngofanda Atisa. Ninche ngofanda umroyo Dr. Maubi. Ninche ngofanda Okanyi ulio UL. I have no interest in Kitutu Chacha South. In Genomo Chumbo Kitutu Chacha North. And I am doing and I will do work. 2027 nganero gochora barai. Achore bunango.
Let me ask you Mheshimiwa Jare.
Achabo Kitutu Chacha gochore. Achoro murai bugitu. Bunango. Injino muntu na abole tilimo. Injino muntu na abole tilimo. Nkayeriye Simba. Umuga Korea, I respect him so much. Erno monto vole tikane agachakanyora kero onkeyo. Agaso agaikaras.
It doesn't matter what time you join the parliament, as long as you win an election. As young people, I am an animal neighboring constituencies. Which